Hello everyone, my name is Chef Jyoti and I'm back with the new recipe of the week. You all may aware that India is considered as the diabetic capital of the world. When we developed chefmagic, our core objective was to ensure everyone is able to cook healthy meals at their home. Today's new recipe is a step into that direction. My phone is connected to the chefmagic. Let's see what is the new recipe of the week. Go to the cloud recipes, click new tab, and this week's new recipe is Bharva Karela curry. Here's the description and the ingredients. Make our tray ready and then click run. And this is the tray. And now click run. So in the first step, we have to trim the Karelas. As you can see, I have trimmed the Karelas from top and the bottom, and you have to remove the seeds. The first step says you have to clean the Karelas, scrape down the skins, cut the head and the bottom and remove the seeds and apply salt. Click OK. Step 2 says we have to attach the saute blade and add mustard oil. I've attached the saute blade. Let's add mustard oil. 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Click OK and let the oil heat. As the oil is heated, let's add 1 teaspoon of jeera. The tadka is ready. Now let's add hing and the Karela scraping. The scrapings of Karela which I have saved for the stuffing. You can see the scrapings are sorted perfectly. Now I'll add finely chopped onion. The onions are sorted properly. Let's add the masalas. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, fennel powder, Kashmiri red chili and amchur. The stuffing is perfectly done. Let's remove this in a bowl and start with steaming the Karelas. As you can see, I've removed the stuffing in the bowl and I'll keep it aside for the later use. Now I have to clean the jar and add water for the steaming. 500 ml of water. This is the steaming basket. I'll add in this. Keep the Karelas in the steaming basket. As you can see, the Karelas are steamed properly. Now you can groove the spatula and lift this steamer. Bas. After removing the Karelas, fill in the stuffing and keep it aside for the curry. As you can see, I have stuffed the Karelas. I'll keep it aside. You have to clean the jar, pat it dry, and let's add oil. Green chili. As you can see, the curry base is ready. Now let's add water. 120 grams of water, tamarind pulp, little salt and the Karelas. After the Karelas are cooked, we'll add some dhania. Click OK and it's ready to serve. To ensure that such healthy meals options are available for you, we have 3 sections in our cloud recipes: diabetic friendly, gut friendly and heart friendly. Do explore and enjoy home cooked food every day.